Time check. Alas dos pa lang. Kasi hindi ako makatulog. Workout na lang ako. Ang aking work outfit for today. So, I was weighing 76.30. Kanina, yung hukod ko. Tapos 76.30 kanina nung nagtimbang ako. Kasi, ano, marami ako kinaing carbs din kanina. Kasi nagkanin ako yung lunch. Mabigat ang tiyan kapag bloated. So, yun. Pero, hindi na ako tumataas ng 77 and above. Di ba? I was 78.05 or something, almost 79 last time. Because I started June 3. So, today is June 12. So, I'm on my 9th day of this changing my lifestyle to a healthier one and becoming the healthier version of me. Ayun. Yun lang guys, sa mga mababawi is may shiny, nakashiny ng balat. Diba? Yun guys, so meron akong 10 days weight loss challenge. That's gonna start on June 17 and will end on June 26. So one slot left na lang ang kulang and naandar na po. Baka ikaw na yun. As of the moment I'm talking about it now ha. So one slot left na lang po kung gusto nyo or magkakilala kayo ng bet matry ang ganitong program in 10 days. I-refer niyo po sa akin or i-send niyo po yung nasa wall ko. Ito po. And once po matapos ang 10 days weight loss challenge na to, we will be having the second batch. So, this is gonna be fun. Diba? You will be challenging yourself to be a better you. Kasi I know for a fact na kaya naman natin lahat yun. There's just lots of excuses kaya hindi natin siya nagagawa, di ba? Hindi natin napuput into action. Nasa utak na natin lahat ng workouts eh. Nasa utak na natin lahat ng diet na pwede natin gawin. It's just that, ang lakas talaga kasi ng kalaban natin, lalo na si katamaran, di ba? Si katamaran. Kaya hindi natin siya napuput into action. But this time, the 10 days weight loss challenge is going to give you a chance to put those things on your mind into actions. At ang maganda pa nito, we will be guided by fitness and health professionals, coaches, as well. And meron tayong supportive at positive health community who will be with us along the 10 days challenge. And if you will be aiming for more, parang nag-lose ka. Nag-lose ka in 10 days, pero parang kulang pa, you want to lose more, don't worry. I got you. You can still join the other programs that we will be having after these 10 days weight loss challenge. I am still on the process of it, so huwag ka mag-alala, kasama niyo ako. Sasamahan kita. And sabay-sabay tayong nag-i-improve. Oh, di ba? Yun ang gusto ko, sabay-sabay tayo. And kung ano man yung kasiyahan na nararamdaman ko ngayon because, I'm on the process of being the healthier me na. I want other people to experience that feeling as well. So, tara na. Huwag ka na dyan pamarin. Halika na. Ay nako, wag mo lang puro ka bukas. Pakunyatan na kita. Wag mo na ipagpabukas no, babe. There's a lot of chances na, di ba? Ito na yun eh. There's a lot of chances way back noon na ang dami mong excuses. Now, this is the time. 10 days lang at hindi to makakaabala sa trabaho mo, sa schedule ng work mo. We will be having home workouts program. We will be training you or guiding you to prep and complete proper meal plans na magagawa nyo by yourself na hindi hirap i-prepare. So, let's go sa go. Kasi ako na-experience ko na siya way back pa noon before I had my Bell's palsy. Diba? Before the chaos came, na-experience ko na siya a year ago. And since, yun nga, tulad ng sabi ko sa inyo sa story ko, tinapos ko lang talaga yung therapy ko. Kasi, I don't wanna, I don't wanna worsen kung ano man yung nararamdaman ko na isasama ko yung sarili ko sa physical activity na hindi pa ako magaling. So, I made sure na natapos yung therapy ko and I'm really, really, really okay before I proceeded to this weight loss naman. Diba? Why not? We all deserve a better life. The best life, actually. So, diba? Let's go na. Ayun lang mga bandang kong daldal. Kasi sarap talaga magpapawis. So, nakikinis ng balat. Yung pawis. Salamat mga bet. Maraming salamat. Turuan ko na lang din ito. Mag-post na lang din ako ng mga iba pang workout videos wherein na pwedeng sundan ng mga beginners. Beginner friendly. I have floor workouts. I also have may mga equipment workout. na daling gayahin. And I also have Sunday workouts. Yun lang din. Mag-wash up na ako. Kaya papahinga. Again ha, ito yung lagi ko sinasabi sa vlog ko ever since. You are the author of your life. So, write it well. Kaya ito kung susunod na sulat, diba? Now na. Sige na.